Have you ever wondered what it would be like if artificial intelligence managed your entire day? I decided to put this idea to the test. For one full week, I handed over the reins of my daily schedule to an AI. My goal was to explore AI's practical application in personal organization. Could it truly optimize my productivity and well-being? This experiment aimed to find out. To begin, I fed the AI a comprehensive dataset about my life. This included my academic timetable, personal goals, and preferred sleep patterns. I also shared my energy fluctuations throughout the day. The AI wasn't just a simple calendar, it was a dynamic planner. It processed this information to create a routine tailored specifically for me. It aimed to maximize efficiency and minimize wasted time. The AI's first task was to optimize my mornings. It suggested a wake-up time based on my sleep cycle data, aiming for peak alertness. This was often earlier than my usual alarm. It then allocated precise times for breakfast and personal preparation. Crucially, it scheduled my most challenging study blocks for early morning. This capitalized on my highest concentration levels. During the day, the AI meticulously scheduled my classes and study sessions. It also integrated short, strategic breaks to prevent burnout. These breaks were often timed to coincide with natural dips in my energy. The AI even factored in my extracurricular activities and social time. It aimed for a balanced day, ensuring I wasn't solely focused on academics. This holistic approach was quite surprising. As evening approached, the AI shifted gears towards relaxation and preparation. It recommended specific wind-down activities like reading or light stretching. These were designed to promote better sleep. It also scheduled time for reviewing the next day's tasks. This ensured I woke up feeling prepared and organized. Consistency in bedtime was a high priority for the AI. One of the most surprising aspects was the AI's ability to find hidden efficiencies. It identified pockets of time I usually overlooked. These small increments added up to significant productive hours. The AI also adapted to unexpected events like a sudden meeting. It quickly reshuffled my schedule, minimizing disruption. This flexibility was a major advantage. Despite the AI's impressive capabilities, there were moments I needed to override its suggestions. Sometimes intuition or a spontaneous social opportunity took precedence. The AI is a tool, not a master. It highlighted the importance of human flexibility and judgment. While AI can optimize, it cannot fully replicate the nuances of human experience. Personal well-being sometimes outweighs pure efficiency. This experiment taught me that AI can be an incredibly powerful organizational assistant. It can reveal inefficiencies and suggest improvements. It pushes you to be more intentional with your time. However, the balance between automation and personal choice is crucial. AI should augment our lives, not dictate them entirely. It's about leveraging technology wisely. My week with an AI-designed routine was an eye-opening experience. It demonstrated AI's potential to streamline daily life and boost productivity. It also underscored the irreplaceable value of human decision-making. As students, understanding and critically engaging with AI is vital. Consider how these tools can support your learning and organization, but always remember to maintain your own agency and well-being.